Students, good morning. Today I will teach you key features of OS. That is here OS means already last class I will teach you what is OS, what are the types of OS. All that is a single user OS, multi user OS also I will teach you. So this class I will teach you the key features of OS. The key features of OS. Okay, that is a key features means what, sir? Key features means what? Key features means that is a OS. That is a OS in your computer is there. That OS what and all process will do it. So that is called to OS. That is called to OS. Okay, that is called to OS. So that is OS, the features what and all is there means, just one by one I list out. Listen carefully. User interface. User interface. Next one, it is a memory management. Memory management. Then third one, process management. Then fourth one, it is a security management. Security management. Then fifth one, fault management. FULT, fault management. Fault tolerance management. Okay, fault tolerance management. Then sixth one, that is a file management. Is a file management. So these and all key features of OS. Key features of OS. These all the process will do it OS. All the process. So this is called to what? This is called to what? This is a OS process. Okay. The one by one I will teach you. Listen. Okay. The first I will teach you user interface. Sir, what is user interface means? Is nothing. Already I will teach you. That is application software and system software in between OS is there. OS is there, application software. Then these and all both direction will work. Both directions will work. Here what is this? User. That is a user interface. User interface. Sir, this user interface means what, sir? The user interface means what means? Just I will teach you, listen to me. The user interface means that is a graphical oriented interface. That is a graphical user interface. So that is called to user interface management. Sir, user interface means what, sir? What and all will do it, sir? User interface means that is a single user interface. Single user and multiple user. Single user and multiple user. Sir, what is mean by single user? What is mean by multiple user means? Single user means at a time only one person will do the process. The OS easily will process then and give it the answer. Multiple user means what will do means that is a Linux and banks and all you can using. bank and all you can using for the Linux software. That is a multiple user software. So this what is you will do means there is a each and everything. It is what will do means that is a list of one by one. The one by one the process will take to user. User 1, user 2, user 3. So much user you can interact to OS. That is called to what? OS interface, the user interface. So these and all, what and all is there means just to one 5 examples I reduced that. Okay, 5 examples is designed to user interface concept you can used for OS. That is what and all is there means the longer time you can user interface, you will take more work will do it. That is the first one interface. The user should also satisfy in customer their needs. That is the second one. So next what does it means? Save the user precious time. Precious time means what? That is a precious time means there is a each and everything will do it fast. That is a third one. It is a fast will do it. That is a user interface. So next one what does that means? There is art that is a satisfied in the customer product. For example, is not the user will approach the OS means OS will do fastly means that is a satisfied in user. Satisfied in the user. That is used for user interface. So last one. That is a user interface should be reduce the number of errors. Reduce the number of errors. How to errors will come? Just a user will give the work OS. OS will give done the work and give to the user. User not error. Okay. User you will take not error. So that is called to what? That is a user interface. User interface. So today I will teach you user interface. So very carefully you can see that. Okay. Next what does it means? So next one what does it means? Next one it is a memory management. Next one is a memory management. Next process is a memory management key features in the OS. The OS memory management what will do means it is a process. It is a process. What process? That is a memory management means each and everything what will do? That is a OS. The OS if you do the save the files memory. The memory how to save that means then what is this? Memory again will do it. That is a OS will take again you can recover. So that is called to what? That is a OS memory. OS memory. The memory management is here the process of controlling coordinate for the computer main memory. Computer main memory and assign the memory of blocks. That is a blocks. That is a blocks means what? Everything you can block wise you can memory management is there. That is a track is there. So this each and everything you can approach to the OS will recover the overall performance you will take and display to the user. That is a user. So that is called to what? That is a OS. That is called to OS. So very carefully you can listen to me. That is a process. It is a process. It is a controlling and coordinating. Controlling and coordinating. Controlling and coordinating for where? That is a computer main memory. Computer main memory. So that is called to what? That is a OS. The OS approaching to the each and every one this memory system. So very carefully you can listen. Okay. So okay, good. Sir, these and all what we'll do, sir. These and all what we'll do means that is a CPU some time is there. That CPU some time is there. The time what does that means? If you approach to the memory in OS, the memory where it is the data and program is there, that program will take and process. After that you can produce in the user. So that is the responsibility of the following activities of memory management. Okay, sir, for example, the first memory management what will do means keep the track of the currently being used for the using them. That is a currently memory for that is a main memory is there. No, main memory is a cache memory also is there. The cache memory before you can keep the track and take the process in program or whatever it is. Just you take the OS, you can process, after will do, produce in the result in user. Okay, so next what will do that determine the which process and data to move out and in, that is a in and out, the in and out. The main memory, this is a main memory. No, the main memory if you OS in and out, that is it determine the memory process. So that is called to what? That is a process. That is a designing in the memory management. So next what we'll do, sir? That is a this memory allocation is there. No, that is a allocation and deallocation. Allocation and deallocation. The deallocation block, it is a needed to the main memory. That is a main memory only. If you allocate this main memory, you can allocate this. This is what does this means needed to block. That is a program. That is a memory block. That is a block is there. No, that is a every block you can store that. Okay, the garbage collection value also is there. Garbage collection. That is a deallocation is there. No, that is a deallocation means what? That is a memory management deallocations. So that is called to memory management. So memory management, if you approach to the memory, that is a each and every time you can use the memory. After you can process in the OS, after that you can throw it user. Okay, user. Okay, thank you students. So next I will teach you this. So this chapter very theoretically, just you can see the book 1 or 2 times, you can read the line. Okay, just to listen the class, after you can go to open your book and read it. Okay. So next third one, I will teach you process management. Process management. Sir, process management means what, sir? That is a process management. OS will do it process. Process means every work will take the program. In OS only you can process. After that you can user seeing that. So that is a process management. Okay, the process management, it is a function. That is a process is a functions or job. Process means what? One job. Who's taking? That is a where it is stored the memory. That memory you can take the result in the process memory. So that is called to what? Process. So that process, how will you do it in OS? Okay, the computer consists of, that is a collection of process. Collection of process means what? That is a more jobs. More jobs is there. They are classified in the categories. The OS process to execute system code. One is system code. That is a job is what? system code. Next one, what does that means? That is a user will execute the user code. That is a user code. This is a system code. This is a user code. Sir, this is what will do means all this process can be potentially execute concurrently on single CPU only will do it. Single CPU only, CPU is there now. CPU inside only OS is there. That CPU only will do it. Okay, sir, this is the process management. There are three mainly algorithms there in processor. Okay, that is a processor. What and all is there means first one FIFO, next one SJF, then third one it is a round robin algorithm. That is here the mainly that using the four algorithm you can use based on priority. So this is called to what? More algorithm you can use in the process management. So this process management, the four algorithms you can follow that. Okay. FIFO means that is a first in, first out. First in, first out. First in, first out means what, sir? First in, first out means the user is there, no. The user, if you approach to OS means that is a many user you can approach that. For example, multi-user OS you can take that. Multi-user OS, if you approach to so many user you can approach. User 1, user 2, user 3. Okay, user 3. So first in, first out means is nothing, sir. Who's first will approach the OS means that person only will do it first job. That is a first process. Sir, that process what will do means if you approach to OS means approach to OS, that is a memory. The memory you can request and response will do means the OS process after throw it in a user 1. Sir, after that user 2 waiting there. Again, what is this? This process will do it. Process complete. After execution, you can process display that. Okay. Next, what is this? User 3. The user 3 you can approach. Then OS you can approach to memory. Memory you can respond to OS. The OS after that process will do it, explain. So this like you can each and everything will do it. Each and everything will do it. So that's it. That is what is this? Before means first in, first out. Don't interrupt. So each and every person linely will wait there. So that is called to queued list. What is this? Queued list. So next what is the SJF means? It is a shortest job for first. What is the shortest job first? What is the shortest? Shortest means nothing. Shortest means what is the one user 5 MP process will do it. One user 10 MP process will do it means which is the shortest? The user 1 only shortest. So, sir, user 1 50 MP, sir. User 2 5 MP, sir. Who is the first process will do it? That is a user 2. That is the shortest path. Which is a list means that person only you can queue that. That is a shortest path first. Shortest job first. That is called to this. So, round robin. So, round robin means what, sir? Round robin algorithm means that is what does it means? There is each and everything, especially sharing system. Sharing system means what? There is each and every job. It is a divide and job will do it. So that is a round robin. Round robin means is nothing. Just each and everything you can again will do it. Round means what is this? That is circling will do it. Circling will do it means A after B, B after C. That like you can round robin job process. That is a assigning to the circular method. Okay, that is called to round robin. So next, based on priority. Based on priority means that is a shortest path is there, no, that is a shortest path. A is 5 means B is 7. Who's the shortest? That is A only based on priority. The B is second one, you can finished. So that is called to based on priority. So these and all you can, where it is that the process management system. The process management system. Who's the field? That is a OS only you can process. So each and every job will do it OS. The OS only will do it. So thank you students. So remaining how much is there? That is here. I will teach you this. See here. User interface I will teach you. Memory management I will teach you. Process management I will teach you. After that 3 things is there. Then next class I will teach you. Okay. So students, be careful. This is a theoretical chapter. You understand my videos. After that you can open your book and read. Okay. Thank you students.